Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove your payment method from Facebook ad account. Alright, let's begin. First, go to facebook.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, you will see a window by Meta. Click on See More in Account Center to access the Meta Account Center. Here, navigate to Payments and click on it. Next, go to Ads Payments, which will redirect you to the Ads Manager. Now that you're in Ads Manager, you will see your credit cards and monthly payment details. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Scroll down until you find the three dots button next to your credit card information. Click on this button and select Remove. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove your card. Click on Remove again to confirm. And there you go. You have successfully removed your payment method from Facebook ad account. Click Done to finish, and the payment method is now gone. So that's basically how you can remove a payment method from Facebook ad account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.